Yeah, there's particles in here. There's particles in here. Like, I can literally feel it in my hand. Like, this is probably from the cut, but I can feel it. I'm gonna cut it.